Welcome back to the next installment of Quiz the Chemist, an opportunity for you, our Odo fans, to ask us here at Queen Control questions about our products and our chemistries. I'm going to combine two of them this week. Miss Shannon Schleif, sorry if I murdered that name, asks, how safe is OdoBan to use for people with asthma? And Miss Debbie Harmon, who writes, I have a lot of allergies. Is OdoBan safe for me to use? We get this question a lot in regards to cleaning chemicals and people that have some sort of compromised lung function. Any cleaning chemical is a concern for someone with allergies or asthma, COPD. These things decrease your lung function, and almost anything can cause a trigger. Not just our cleaning products, but anyone's. Some people are sensitive enough that even water mist in the air can be a trigger. So we always say, find a physician you trust. Talk to that physician, work with them to determine your own sensitivities. Everyone's different, everyone has different triggers, and those triggers can change over time. A very common trigger is fragrance chemicals, be they natural fragrance chemicals or synthetic. Our products do have a lot of fragrance in them. OdoBan's known as a fragrance-driven brand. And so sometimes it's better off to use fragrance-free versions of products if they're available. Again, we're not physicians. Speak to your doctor, find someone you trust, and as always, approach it with caution. We want everyone to be safe out there because we love all our Odo fans. So I'm Dave the Chemist from R&D, and I'm going to sign off this time with Make Life Fresh, and we'll see you next time.